This guy says to use the order of operations to simplify. And so you have to remember what those order of operations are. You want to do what's in parentheses first. Then you want to do any exponents that we see. Then we're going to do multiplication and division. So I'm going to put those on the same line because you do multiplication and division from left to right, whichever one comes first. And then addition and subtraction, also from left to right. So in this case, we do what's in parentheses first. So I'm going to leave this 8 here. 7 minus 9 is going to be negative 2 cubed minus 7. And then parentheses here, 1 minus 3 is also negative 2 cubed. All right, now we'll do exponents. Well, we have two sets of exponents to do here. We have, first of all, negative 2 cubed, and again a negative 2 cubed here. So they're the same, but we have to do them one at a time. So we're going to do 8, and I'm going to leave the parentheses there just to indicate this is still going to be multiplication. Negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 would be a negative 8. Minus 7 times, same thing here, negative 2 cubed is a negative 8. Okay, we've done parentheses and exponents. Now we're going to do multiplication. So there's this multiplication and there's this multiplication. 8 times a negative 8 is negative 64 minus, now this is a positive 7 times a negative 8 because I just brought down the subtraction sign here. So this is a positive 7 times a negative 8, which is a negative 56. All right, now we have minus a negative, and so we want to change this subtraction to addition of the opposite. So it's going to be negative 64 plus 56. So instead of subtracting a negative, we're adding a positive. And now we're going to add these two numbers together, and they have different signs. One's negative and one's positive. So we're going to end up subtracting. We take the big number, 64, minus 56. And I said big number, but I mean when you look at the absolute value, this one's bigger. And when you subtract these two, we're going to get 8, right? So it's going to be 8, but it'll be a negative 8 because this is a bigger number when you look at the absolute values, and it's negative, so the negative sign carries through to the end. So it simplifies down to a negative 8.